Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you actually are going to be using a real camera versus your smartphone camera, then there are many possible accessories that you could buy for it. But today I'm going to be talking about the top 3 must-have accessories. Starting with the one that you don't actually see right now, but the one that you can hear, and that is a microphone. Because even though you can have the best video in the world, if your audio sucks, it just does not matter at all. And the actual microphone that I use is the Rode VideoMicro. Now, I have done a video on this before. If you actually wanted to see my review of that, I will leave that in the description area below. So that is the very first thing. I would highly recommend that you get some type of external mic, especially one that has a cat or some type of filter to block out noise, especially if you are outside. So the second must-have accessory that everybody needs is some type of tripod. Now for me, I actually use this Manfrotto Pixi tripod. This is a wonderful tripod. It's very versatile and it's built really well. And the final must-have camera accessory is a bag, and specifically some type of camera bag. And so the camera bags that I use are made by Lowepro, and the reason why I highly recommend these bags is because they are made for cameras. And so if you look here, they have everything you need in order to actually carry around your camera gear. There's compartments specifically made for cameras, your microphones, your batteries, and you can also put other things right here. And this is a lot better than using like your duffel bag or something that is not made specifically for cameras. And so those are my top 3 camera accessories that I think every creator should have. And there are many other accessories, but I think with these 3, you're going to have your bases covered for most situations. Now, if you actually want to see my review of all these camera accessories that I talked about and many other more, I also have an entire Geek Gear playlist. I will also leave that in the description area below. And if you had any other thoughts on this, whether you have very similar gear or you had your own must-have list, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.